This is setup of the Switchbot Keypad Touch. First, you're going to make sure you have the Switchbot app, and then you're going to come up to the plus sign and then select Add a Device. From here, you're going to locate the Keypad Touch. Down here under Security, Keypad Touch, select. So you have to long press these two to get things started, which means you have to pop the back off and make sure that you get your batteries installed. And there we go, heard a little beep. We're just gonna get that in place. And the lights were green on the front. So it is saying to press and hold these for 2 seconds. 1, 2, green light at the top is flashing. When it is, select next. And that did turn off rather quickly, so I hope that the communication between the two has already started. Yeah, it was too quick. Here we go. We can change the name. We're just gonna call this Keypad Touch Room. We're going to assign it to the living room because that's where the door is, and select Save. And now it's gonna walk us through the mounting installation. We can either do it with the mounting plate and the screws, or we could use the tape adhesive. So we're gonna say the screws, what we need. So right now it's letting us know this isn't paired to the lock. So we can say, don't show me again, or I could say pair to lock. And then there's my lock, pair, and hopefully we are close enough. So I'm connected to the keypad. Oh, good. Code is, and here's a test code to make sure that it actually opens up. And then okay. And I heard it open up downstairs, and here's my notification saying that my door has been unlocked, which also means I can select lock from up here, and I heard a lock. Switchbot door lock, all done, good. And that has been setup of the Switchbot Keypad Touch.